one thing I can say with Usain Bougie, I'm gonna hold you on that one,
Mm,
is Usain Bougie has worked really hard
mm.
to get to where she is. As much as people will be like, she's not really a DJ, that's fine. But she's making her bag and she worked really hard to get to where she is. So
Working really hard is the,
it's a little
oh,
given.
nikeza like
No,
a
I
clear
mean
example of Usain
I mean
Bolt
I mean
working real
I mean
hard,
in the sense
dog.
of in the sense of she put herself out
Yeah,
there. She put herself out there so people get to know who Saint Bougie is. So you need
yeah.
to remember Saint Bougie, we knew her story prior to her even being a DJ.
Mm.
The DJ thing came after. She was an influencer before she was a so full. Are they coming for Zulus? I mean, I'm
Abba.
Zulu, man.
Everyone is claiming she's Zulu now. Hey, no, 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 no. We don't want that.
I will go Zulu, man.
Andrews?
Oh, it's the 21st century.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. That's
Understand.
my answer.
Yeah.
Actually, put I'm South African. What to you,
Yeah.
Zulu?
What's
You
your
colored,
Zulu?
you white. I'm South African.
Yeah.
People must just know that.
Yeah.
And I get that a lot. To why your name's Moesha Andrews, but you look how you look. Guys, it's the 21st century.
Yeah.
Itezo omkhulu wogogo ayinda bela basabuza lot. How? Why are we still asking each other?
Yini kanjani. Sanibonani, it's your boy Kevin Dwande and I'm back with another Shandis. And this is the Simi and Kevin show, as you know. And I'm slanging ngedwa bafethu. I didn't want to disappoint you with your favorite co-host wabengekho namhlanje. Kodwa ke uThozobusa busy kancane. He's more behind the scenes kulezi nsuku. Ake Spence. He's more behind the scenes. Oh yeah. Angifuni ukusho okuningi, but my nigga bets. I really miss you bets. Lapho khona bets qhubeka uphathe bets uphushe bets sizohlangana. Excess. So namhlanje bafethu, as you all know bafethu, this is our 14th episode, 15 or 15 lab, 15th episode, right? So bafethu, you know ukuthi mina ngihlezi 16. Yeah, ngihlezi ngifika nabantu bafethu aba-right bafethu, abantu who like abahle futhi nawe uzoyibonela namhlanje bafethu ukuthi kahle kahle ngiphethe izinto right bafethu, the gorgeous, the multi-talented, yabo nje bafethu, the woman who knows himself, full on confidence bafethu, yabo. Angifuni ukunikeza futhi about the longest introduction because nafanele ayisholo bafethu uthuba. But let's give it up to Moesha bafethu.
Hello.
Yaphela bafethu.
What's happening?
Njani? You know.
031.
032 na.
031. Phakathi sauce.
Yeah, baba.
What's happening, everybody? It's your favorite girl here, Lady Mo Mzansi. It's an honor to be here. Given ngiyabonga.
Yebo.
What an honor. Kabajani. There's like interview away na mina. He stole my job. But anyway.
It can't be, but we were in the same class, like 2 years.
Crazy.
October 8 bayahlangana but so
Facts.
I want you to like us to dive into your like life and then sibuye sikhulume ezinye izinto nje mfethu yabo ezakhayo nezinye sikwazi ukuthi njengama spectators sibuye yabo si-highlight ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani kuzona mfethu. So bengifuna uchazela abantu nje mfethu ngawe mfethu ukuthi usukaphi mfethu. Chaze nabantu ukuthi phela namhlanje ufike ne-oledi phela. Namhlanje awufikanga wedwa phela.
Oh yeah, namhlanje ngihamba with my mom. She's behind scenes. Lalela, she's my momager, guys. So that's why I move on.
Momager.
And a lot of people say, it's your mom. But guys, it's my mom. Trust me. We age like fine wine.
I can see.
We age like fine wine. But anyway, my name is Moesha. I won't give my surname because, hey, government name. I go. So
give us something. Go back.
But my full name is Moesha Andrews, but I do go by Lady Mo. on social platforms, Lady Mo Instagram, Lady Mo on TikTok, and I'm working on opening my YouTube page, but it's coming.
That's what's up. That's what's
It's
up.
coming.
That's
It's
what's up.
coming. So I'm a TV personality. I'm a presenter. I'm a host.
Mm.
Mongdinga nje uyangibona kwama-event, big events. I'm doing interviews. I work with Durban Culture. Guys,
Yeah.
Durban Culture, trust me, is the way. But yeah, currently that's what I do.
Yeah. So since it's TV personality, do
Yeah.
you still believe in TV? I
Yeah,
don't see.
yeah, I still believe in TV because if you look at it, some of us still have those dreams. Because if Midang Saingan, when I used to watch TV, I used to look up to Obonang, Pearl Modiedie, Numzamo Mbata, and those people used to see them on TV before, TikTok, Instagram, social media started popping off like that. There's this show that Pearl Modiedie used to
On SABC One.
yeah, she do interviews and what is it called?
This something.
Yeah, but fine, guys, y'all will tell us what it is.
Yeah.
Yes, so I used to love watching that. So I still have that dream of being on TV. Even top billing.
Top billing, yeah.
So I still believe in TV, yeah.
Yeah, izazi igama le show, izazi, yeah.
But yeah, I still believe in TV. I really do believe in it because our movies, acting,
yeah. I think what TV like is not dominant as like
same with radio. Unfortunately.
Same
with radio. Yes, but it's the same thing with radio. Radio is it's not ancient, but it also boils down to Indaba Song of the Year. Get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So isn't that fun? You see, now with social media, we're all gonna move where we make money con. Think about it.
That's true, because like the most dominant field essential in terms of presenting. When you go to sports, I know maybe Mundoje, like most people who love presenting basically end up in sports. Will you do that kind of segments where you like?
I would, but it would depend which sports. I won't lie, soccer high. I'm not good. I'm not that, indulge with soccer, but Singati rugby, I can with rugby because I've become a big fan of rugby. But everyone in South ever since the World Cup
is a big fan.
Became a big fan. But then I think for me it's different because my baby brother plays rugby, so I have more of an understanding. Now I even know all players, even from different countries.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd probably do rugby and news.
And news too.
Yeah, and news. A news commentator would work. I'd do that.
Yeah.
We studied that.
Yeah. And it was dope futhi no ukuthi yabo hlangane nabantu abanjengomu because I will feel the energy when we doing our thing. But yabo ukuthi there's something here.
Yeah, because there's a difference with being passionate about something and a difference with you doing it just for the fame.
Yeah.
Because if we're being very frank and bluntly honest, at this day and age, we have a lot of people doing things just for fame and to make money. You get what I'm saying? Which is okay. There's nothing wrong with. Don't get me wrong.
No, it's not.
Yeah, don't get me wrong. It's okay, but you can tell a difference with a person that is passionate about what they're doing. They actually love what they're doing, and a person that's just doing it, just to make money.
Like what? How can you spot the difference between those two people?
I don't want to say names or anything.
You can.
It's
a book about
cancel culture.
It's a book about
it. But let's say I'll make an example with DJ.
Yeah.
The DJing industry. I'm not a DJ. Do you get what I'm saying? DJing is not my thing. My thing is presenting, speaking on the mic.
Yeah.
Speaking to people, being a master of ceremonies at an event. That's my thing. And sitting down and interviewing you just to get to know what you're doing as an artist on a deeper level. But then if I decide tomorrow, you know what? The presenting thing is not really making me any money. It's not giving me that much of fame. Let me just hop into DJing. Come on now. Can get a song.
Yeah,
I can get a manager who can, but it would be easy. And I could probably blow up just because of how I look or how I'm built. but it's no longer the same.
It's no longer the
Yeah,
same.
it's no longer the
And you
same.
can just put the USB there and then just go to the stage
Uy,
and
bhengele,
uyibhekele,
qedile.
siyababona
Qedile.
abaningi. Sign Bucci.
You calling her out?
No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm
Okay.
just saying. Mhlawumbe nawe uyakwenza lokho. How do you get time from like DJing and then go to? I know Uncle Wafus do that, but then you new in the industry, but you are able to do all that.
But one thing I can say with Usain Bougie, I'm gonna hold you on that one, is Usain Bougie has worked really hard to get to where she is. As much as people will be like, she's not really a DJ, that's fine. But she's making her bag, and she worked really hard to get to where she is. So
Working really hard is the. Nikeza like a
No, I
clear
mean-
example of Usain
I mean-
Bolt
I
working
mean-
real
I mean
hard.
in the sense
dog.
I mean, in the sense of she put herself out there, she put herself out there so people get to know who Usain Bougie is.
Yeah.
So you need to remember Usain Bougie, we knew her story prior to her even being a DJ. The DJ thing came after. She was an influencer before she was a full-on DJ. Remember?
Yeah.
So she worked hard to be known. Galiohle.
Prince KP. That was like a stepping
Come
stone.
on, guys.
That was like a stepping stone. With
It was a stepping stone.
Prince KP, okay.
If you say so.
Yeah.
But yeah, though, if I feel like Vele Manje on social media, you can do the wildest thing ever. You will trend.
Like, wildest
Must
thing.
do the wildest thing. It's no more now just showing ass on Instagram. Now you have to do something on another level in order for you to trend. But yeah, I still feel like she worked hard.
That is part of working hard, ladies and gentlemen. That is working hard.
Oh my God. Hey, give it.
Again, it's like it's simple. We see it. But so that is working hard, mantombazane. Please work hard.
Working hard is putting yourself out there, and you put yourself out there, let people know what you're good at and what you can do.
Yeah.
So maybe her putting herself out there and showing what she's good at as being a content creator. And then so happened. But if you think about it, even if she's not actually DJing right now, the more she does it, she ends up becoming a dope DJ.
And she's getting more gigs. And she was most booked in December.
Imagine.
So yeah. Why the hate actually?
Exactly. Why the hate?
You're asking me? I'm not hating on anybody, but I'm
sure Kono follow so it can't be hate.
Oh yeah. I'm sure. Do you not follow Usain Bougie?
I'm not on social media. Even if you can look up Aximino so a poster. Here's my guy there as a poster. Don't do the post.
Which is crazy. It's funny that you said that. Yes. Because a lot of men would be like, hey, Usain Bougie is doing this, or she's shaking ass, she's just making money from this. And then, they come for her with her situation with Prince KP. God, so much check out my DM. So same guys, they're in those DMs, which is crazy.
No, that's nature.
And then they be like, female DJs are whack. We only want male DJs. God to please, go my DM Usain Bougie.
That's
her food.
That's facts.
Yeah, I like her.
Yeah. I think laba bagxeka sibona laba bakwa DMs. It's just futhi lapho phela sayini muhle futhi phela sayini like you can't shy away
from
very
them. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I didn't actually know what he learned was true. Bengas. I hear people say it, but I didn't know.
Ufuna isikhathelo futhi menze bawunika abantu bathini awube la kusafuna ukufaza izinto zazi sekuyazi
mina ngikho sure ngale
ngiyabona
I'm not
please
sure.
can you fact check there asazi
Yeah,
so like content imake just to like clear the air, just to clear
what I did say before to be the private jet. I think it was
Yeah,
a
but
private jet.
if I'm a celebrity and I'm big, I can take a picture with the president or former
No, but it
president.
was a private jet. It wasn't a public
Eh,
one.
I
Okay, now because Sign Butcher related to
to
Jacob Zoma. Okay, based sacong fundela isingesi.
this case, based on social media reports and viral photo from September 2024, influencer Sign Bush's real name is Anna Zuma claimed that former South African President Jacob Zuma is her grandfather. While these claims include statements about being blood relatives circulated online, there is no official confirmation of their relationship.
Yeah.
So, ayikho into
You
confirmayo.
see, we can
Sizwa
just say,
ngaye.
ngoba-ke siphila emhlabeni kaZulu, if we have like the same surname,
Yeah,
we are
but also,
related with
but
blood.
also is Sign Bush is Zulu. She's not Zulu.
She's not. Nah, she's
Sign
not.
Bush is Zulu.
Ubani igama
What
lakhe
is
lakhe
her thingy? Her race?
No, she's Zulu. I think she's coming from
Uh,
How?
yeah, who very most of
Okay,
Well, I
real
know
name.
about Tumahu.
Ona Zuma. Yeah.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. She's Zulu. Yeah,
Okay.
but
Hey, so are they coming for Zulus? I mean, I'm
Papa?
Zulu, mean.
Everyone is claiming she's Zulu now. Hey, no. We don't want that.
I will go Zulu, mean.
Andrews?
It's 21st century.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
Understand.
That's my answer.
Yeah.
Actually, foot I'm South African.
Yeah.
What are you Zulu?
What
You
Zulu,
colored,
you
you white. I'm South African.
Yeah.
People must just know that.
Yeah.
And I get that a lot. So why your name is Moesha Andrews, but you look how you look. Guys, it's the 21st century.
Yeah.
Iteyenza omkhulu wogogo ayinda bela basabuza lot. How? Why are we still asking each other?
Because now
And the
we're
crazy
fighting.
part is I have cousins that are Indian, colored, Zulu, or Kazi.
So what do we say about that?
Rainbow Nation.
Ah.
We're South African.
No
No DNA, just RSA.
Yeah.
No DNA, just RSA.
Good.
Rainbow Nation.
Rainbow Nation.
You can see how my mom looks. If you see my mom.
Yeah, I can
And you can
see.
see me.
Yeah.
Exactly.
The difference is there. The difference is there. So like befuna ukwazi bese yabo abantu bafuna ukwazi ukuthi uMoesha bese how is she associated with the Durban culture like
Durban culture. So with Durban culture is I met the Durban culture owner, CEO, whatever you might call it, when I was working back then at an event, Hip Hop Fest. At the Hip Hop Fest event. And they did an interview with me. And then a few years later, 2-3 years later, contact me, wanted to work together. And yeah. So I'm currently working with them, a presenter with Durban culture.
So how has been the journey with
working
Durban
with them?
culture?
Oh, it's been amazing. It's been amazing. If you go onto their page, you'd see it's been great working with them. Everything's been perfect. Yes, meeting more celebrities. But with my line of work, I get to meet a lot of celebrities. And you get to see those that are and you get to see those that are so cool that you didn't expect them to be cool.
Yeah. Which from your recent interviews, which artist do you claim he's cool? I saw
cool.
DJ Melon he's
DJ Melon. Shout out to Anywhere in Your City.
Yeah.
DJ Melon is very cool, very calm, but I don't see him as Mutokul Makul.
Oh yeah.
Yes, but business wise, Anywhere in Your City was massive.
Who was your favorite interview then, Lava?
At Anywhere in Your City? Melon.
Melon.
Himself, the man of the hour that day himself. Yeah. It was a great interview. And another one I had fun with was with Uncle Don.
Uncle Don. Oh
yes.
yeah.
I see Uncle Don is getting into being a DJ.
Khona video yakhe ngizanduyibona angazi noma DJ play for someone there.
And you back on. Yeah, see, that's part of working hard. You put yourself out there. Same thing Sign Bush did.
It's the same thing, but
Exactly. She put herself out there.
Yeah.
Probably, yeah, it's a tickets to be backstage. You get what I'm saying? Buy your own tickets, be backstage. And because he's already trending on social media, he's trending on TikTok, right?
Yeah.
So that is a step ahead for him. So all he needs to do now is pop up at places where there's DJs. They'll recognize him. Celebrities recognize people that are trending.
Yeah.
So if I come to like anywhere in your city and I'll be like, hey, probably DJ may be like, hey, you're the girl that I was trending for, you know?
Yeah.
But if I don't know if I'm trending for something else,
Yes.
probably not. But it depends what I'm trending for.
Uh,
So yeah, and then ganjalo, busy attending events, you'll see my face, you get used to my face, then you also get to know me.
yeah, that's why you like.
That's same thing. Sound Bridget did. Trended on TikTok. Then she started going to events. She started going places. She put herself out there.
Yeah. So like from all the events that you've been as like I said, so which one do you think like stands out in Durban? In Durban, because I see now
That's a hard question.
Yeah.
Oh, you see me at a lot of events.
Yeah. So about you.
Yo, my God, I won't lie. At first, I would have said Shimza and Friends. And then I attended the Anywhere in Your City. Then I was like, damn, I'd say it's a tie. Because there's a Shimza and Friends that I attended. Was it not in 2024, I think it was in 2023. The setup, Shimza killed
He always
that
does.
event.
He
It
always,
was so insane. His events are always like, it was amazing. So shout out to Shimza. I always enjoy Shimza and Friends. And then when I went to Anywhere in Your City, with Anywhere in Your City, I was there the day before just to see the whole setup prior.
Yeah.
And looking at the difference from what it was to what it became into was insane. Even the set, the lineup, crazy. But you can't attend the Anywhere in Your City if you don't really listen to deep house like that.
Why?
Because like it's more of tribal.
Oh yeah.
They call it tribal, I think. Tribal. They're more tribal, deep house sort of,
Yeah.
the type of music that DJ Melon would play. Exactly. And the funny thing is, as we were at that event, as a Durban night, if there's a drop with music, they think so you're getting it but that's not the case. You get what I'm saying? It was nice.
So like I will say good if I check the videos and see ingoma ezenziwa Shimza nabo laba I would say like it's more electronic sound.
Yeah.
Like I think nabo sebefuna ukuyifaka
kancane.
Because about uyazi useThekwini like you will listen to Gqomu, 3 Steps and all of that. Do you think like they're enforcing us to like listen to the type of music? Noma khona imarket yakhona thina singayazi.
I think everyone is a target market for music. Yeah. But it depends also when you turn out what type of genre. It's all up to you. What we can say is in Durban, what dominates is Gqom.
Yeah.
It dominates in Durban and it dominates in Cape Town.
In Cape Town.
In Joburg, you have Amapiano. 3 Steps somehow, in Durban, but not that much.
Yeah. So, like, how do you think the Durban culture has influenced, like, the whole, like, event scene? Because we will see you, like, in, like, different places.
I think what Durban culture has created is great because, I'd say this, we get a lot of slack as influencers, content creators, presenters, whatever, or broadcasters in Durban. They say there ain't any. I don't know why. They be like, people in Durban are lazy. People don't, we don't push enough content in Durban compared to people from Joburg, which is insane because a lot of people that are in Joburg come from Durban. But anyway, that's another topic for another day. So Durban culture has created this platform to show people outside of Durban that, hey, Durban also has its own, culture. You get what I'm saying? We have creators who are doing amazing. You know, we also have events that get full because people say Durban events, people don't buy tickets, people don't come. But hey, what happened at Anywhere in your city? Hey, what happens with Shimza and friends? You know, what's going to happen with there's this event called Back to Back Red Bull that is going to be packed. So that's the platform that Durban culture has created, which I love. You know, so they kind of putting Durban out there the same way Amapiano has put South Africa on the map.
Yeah.
Durban culture is doing that for Durban.
Do you think like there's like a lot of work that needs to be done in order to like push like the narrative to Durban to be a standalone city where you like all the creatives from there, you know, because it's sustainable.
Ukuze nje
it's
bengasithathi
flowing.
kancane kahle kahle, that's what you're saying.
Yeah. Because now
because I
certain things,
basithatha kancane and tell you their own lie. They do. The only thing we can do is just keep doing you, keep pushing your content, keep, you know, going out there, doing your interviews. Carry on releasing your episodes. Don't stop just because based on what that podcast from Joburg said, Durban, they're lazy. I don't like what they said. They said we're lazy as creators. Come on now.
Come on now.
They are creating Mandy Keswa. That's a Durban creator.
That's a Durban creator, and
Father
she's doing
Patrick,
great food.
that's a Durban creator. He's so funny. Father Patrick, there are so many other names that I can mention, but and Ligma. Shout out to Luyanda. He's currently in Joburg. Is he not from Durban?
He is.
Exactly.
Hey, Ligma is doing great. He's doing great.
Shout out to Ligma.
Shout out to him.
He's currently he's doing some work in Joburg.
Oh yeah, what does on a playlist? Does some interviews?
Yeah, he's doing interviews and then he does get him brand deals as well. So yeah.
What do you think about Lama Creative who like move from anywhere back on and go to Joburg just to starve and not get like a real job? Yeah, because like Connie posted to give on your hosting to the creative that's like move from their homes and come here in Joburg just to starve and sit there by prayer and
but eventually where did they end up?
Bucabanga abangakanani abantu abasuka bekhona just to cause yabo?
There's a lot of them who do that, and I don't think they starve. Maybe they are angas. You get what I'm saying? But you have to know hunger in order to appreciate your success.
Yeah.
So you have to start somewhere, right? And then you get to where you want to be at the end of the day. I'll make an example with Blackie. I remember Blackie back then. He also went to Joburg. Don't know what they were doing, but they moved to Joburg, and Black is big international artist today. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's a stereotype thing. But if you look at it, yes, here in Durban we don't have Izintaining like with broadcasting stuff. Everything's in Joburg.
In Joburg, yeah. That's where the
City
money
of Gold.
is.
That's where the money is.
Yeah.
So if it means you're gonna be hungry for like a few months, then now might as well.
Yeah, well, just go there.
I think who else? A lot of them moved to Joburg. Actors, presenters.
Yeah.
They moved to Joburg.
And it's
Temi Nkosi, he had his story also about him having to leave Durban and going to stay in Joburg to make money, you know.
We'll see. Now, man, like, let's do something.
Something good.
Yeah, but let's have some more routine.
So what about me?
Something else. You have to get phone.
No, so like to Ebola, but come Zulu pen.
Wait,
but so come Zulu, let's get it pen.
I'm sorry.
I remember I hopped in the Uber when I was in Joburg this one time. I hopped in the Uber. As I hopped in the Uber driver started speaking. No. I'm like, I'm like, no, I can't get was tool. I was like, Yeah, so I'm like, okay. And then he says something in the lines of, you can see he's asking me a question.
Yeah.
And then I'll be like, hey, to be honest now, angizwa sure. And it's like, well,
Sikhulume.
ngumzulu. Yes, ngumzulu. That's all I got. I was like, hey, don't
Ngumzulu.
call me Gisi or call
Eh,
me Zulu. Or, and then he was like speaking in Sotho. Like,
Yeah.
bruh, I don't know.
I
Sotho."
didn't understand this is so like for the first like this is getting like so
Wena uthini
topic.
wena-ke ngayo leyo nto leyo okuthiwa indaba abaZulu benenkani
Ema.
bengafuni ukufunda ulimi olunye
But angiboni kuyinto wrong le because like even if you look
Ngokubuzulu
yabo
now.
kubuzulu but na but I can't like force myself ukuthi khona but yabo if like it's look bad if you in another place yabo
Mhm,
in another location and then you don't know how to like connect with those people
mhm.
yabo luckily ke sekukhona isingisi
Yeah, isingisi
yabo
is international.
sesokhuluma ngaso ke kodwa nje but ish it looks bad and you're the only one who doesn't know how to speak Zulu.
Oh, la eThekwini.
How does it look? Yabo sekufanele ube introvert-ke ngisho ungasiyona manje.
You know, the thing is, thina ekhaya dominate isingisi
Yeah.
kakhulu, so we talk English. So like if we're out in public, yabo, and we speak
Yeah.
English, doesn't mean ukuthi isiZulu asisazi. Sibuye
Mm.
sisikhulume kahle kahle vele senze imix masala.
Imix masala.
Yabo, this one time mesihleli nje mhlawumbe ebeach at a restaurant siqhuma isingisi. You know, people will look at us and be like,
What's going on here?
what's going on? Because based on appearance and sikhuluma isingisi bethu hayi nango zenza coconut. Nango kusayitshela ikhuluma isingisi. Come on.
Come on now. Hey. Kodwa-ke isingisi first it can open like many doors but you can like easy connect with
Mhm.
when you talk isingisi. I don't know how to say English. Like what the fuck? Nami siyahlanganisa. Ngike ngibona ama-comment kuthiwa isingisi salubala lesi. Namanje basasho bese.
Uthi isingisi sakho.
Isingisi sale host lezi thika.
But also I think kuhamba ngenkoliso yakho.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? So if you grow up elokishini and most of the time elokishini
Yeah.
khulunywa slang.
Slang
Yabo?
nje kuphela.
Khulunywa
Nendiya
isilokishi,
lakhona.
and then mawufika futhi nasesikoleni
Eh,
usudedele ilo
Slang nakhona,
kuphela isilokishi. The only time you forced actually khuluma isingisi is uma uphendulana nothisha.
yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Mm.
And then now I get it now ngoba sengimdala bethi othisha no vernac in class, no vernac. So bepusha yona leyo nto ukuze ujwayele ukwazi ukukhuluma isingisi.
Yeah. Because yabo nje thina fanele sijwayela manje-ke manje. Khuluma isingisi ngekani. Like I want to know first there's something that's is bothering me but
Hayi
yabo.
bo.
Like yabo khona
Yes,
let nalet appear and mawelele but the collaboration I feel like it's forced upon us as
Are they still together?
no they're not but then I saw like 2 weeks back there's a song that just recently like they did together Puma and they even shot a music video for it. I was
Oh.
like in my mind this
They
thing
shot
is
a music video.
yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Do you think
wouldn't
we are
know.
forced to sibalalele noma it's just
No, if you love their music, you
Mhm.
should just listen to them.
For me, it doesn't work. But first, angifuni.
Shuthi
I'm not hating.
awuyithandi into enothando.
Eh?
Valentine, yes. Shuthi awuyithandi into enothando.
Angisho njalo. Since I'm singing, I will say so. Like,
Yeah,
it proves
ngakho.
that.
We
Yeah.
understand now.
But yabo ngoba ngithi it's forced to us like yabo mfethu recently ade kuthiwa bahlukene labantu laba.
Mhm.
Now they are making music together and seems like everything is cool like
Mina, I'll say one thing when it comes to relationships in the industry. I don't speak big on that, but if the person's happy, they are happy. Let them be happy.
make you
If they're in a relationship, maybe happy by happy. Sibashiye kanjalo nje thina.
Because
Asihlangene. Kahle kahle.
izinto zababili ayingena
Ayingena uzosala wedwa futhi. Yazi
yeah.
uzosala wedwa. But they have a great fan base together.
Yeah.
Then I think separately. I don't know if you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Their fan base is
strong, yeah.
stronger when they a couple bend down and they collaborate. But I don't know. But I think Apire she has a bigger fan base than Mawel.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think they good together.
Yeah.
Even if they're not a couple, but as artists together, they're good.
Yeah, it's worked good together. It's like
They're very good
yeah,
together.
and Futhi, I think they're in the same recording label, yabo. So it's easy for them to just yabo and make more money. Phela. It seems like yabasebenzela le nto
Yeah,
yabo
they,
le.
maybe they make more money together. Beyonce and Jay-Z.
And Jay-Z.
Kodwa le bekwi-content.
Music video.
Cha ngisho bona umjolo wabo nje just content.
And futhi phela umawelele mdala futhi phela ke.
No, I don't account it. But
Account-
it was content.
If
ngampela it was a real relationship.
Mawelele kade umdala kangakanani?
Besazokwazi
26, 27.
after behlukene. Bekuzoba inkinga phela ukuthi basebenze ndawonye.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Like
Usamukela ushezi labo afana le content.
Ey yabona nje
Yeah, my
mfethu yazi wonke
relationship-
umuntu shuthi wonke fanele sijole moya shaka.
uthini? Yangethi give a best joy here
Yabo
now for
khona
content.
for content khona soduma yabo
For
mina
content,
naye
we
ngicela
must be
kuwena ma.
together.
Yabo uthini mawesh like but ingalunga lento le.
Oh ma.
For content khona soduma phela like isithole leyo badlana mawesh athini lapha.
Manje bese lo khona ngimshiya mina.
Ish. Phela uzobe understand
Oh,
this.
uzomela
Uzobe understand it like share content
Izomele
la.
trende kakhulu. Ithendisa ukuthi hayi bo thina simaze nalo muntu lo.
Yabo.
Uyena ozoshutha nje, uyena phela oshuthayo.
Hey,
Yo, that's savage.
Mfethu ngiyakuluka mina mfethu.
Can't be.
Ngeke mfethu.
If kwi-relationship enje nithi very public, even yazi ukuthi even ngisho ama-celebrities, tothi nje uRihanna mhlawumbe kunabantu nje othola ukuthi uRihanna uke wabadata, but shothi akazi abadate in real life. It was just the content ukuthi okay, kwathi
Push,
mangingahlangana kanje for 6 months. That's why ubona ama-celebrities engazuthi aya-break up manje umuntu sevuke ngomunye.
That's
Abanye vele
true.
because it's content.
That's
Mm.
true.
Mm.
Yeah. But really, some people do, get in a relationship just because they know they would make money together. That's true.
bad.
So mina umbuzo wami ukuthi wena-ke how did you get-ke manje ukuthi uzithole ukwi-entertainment space because sengizwile ukuthi uyanjalo different culture. Yini le mhlawumbe ekhule nje ikugqugquzela to have that ukuthi ngithi uma ngikhula nami ngibe yabo
Yeah.
outspoken nje futhi.
Yeah. My mom said I start from high school.
Mm.
Not even high school, actually from primary school. From primary school, I used to always be umuntu who volunteers to do my speech. It's got who's gonna read primary school? I'll be like, me.
Same category, yeah.
Make kind of like a play in primary school. So, me, gonna choir, me, go for my kid, and I can't even sing to save my life. But young kid, and then in high school there was a play. Our school never had drama though, but then we had a teacher, or our teacher with arts and culture. God, what's his name? But okay, fine. He created a play, and that play was so massive from our school and in the area. And then things happened and died down. But I was part of that play, and I was playing a grandma. Yeah, a drunken grandma, an alcoholic grandma. And high school, I used to do speeches, became prefect. Imagine, I used to always be that person who wants to stand in assembly. No manje kulum. Make the ngizothandaza. Joko kangibhaleli ilo. Umthandazo. Ngizothandaza. All of that. So it's always been my passion to mic and be in front of people and interact with audience and stuff like that. And I always love to be on radio. So it comes from there. Yeah. And my grandfather, the name Lady Mo is insane because my grandfather gave me the name Lady Mo. He passed away.
Yeah.
So we were just sitting at home with my grandparents and we were talking because I used to watch those interviews, Nomzamo Mbata with them. And then my grandma would be like, hey, one day we'll be seeing Mo on TV, stuff like that. And then I said, I need to find a name. I need to get a stage name. So it's just me, my grandma, my granddad. And we I was a pig side and then cool Lady Mo. It sticks. We are like, we're gonna stick to that one, and then
it's been Lady Mo since then.
It's been Lady Mo since then. And then the people we were working with in high school for that play, when I finished high school, we actually linked up. So one of them was working backstage. We were all in high school that time. So one of them was working backstage, one of them was acting with me, and another one was also a narrator for that play. So when we finished high school, we actually all linked up. And we were like, hey, we should start something together. Then one was the photographer, one was like managing the thing we were running, similar to Durban Culture, but we called it BTV.
Oh, yeah.
So we were running something like that, where we'd go do interviews with celebrities, just to get an update on where they are with their artistry and their space.
Yeah.
And then from then on,
It's been up
and then
since
then it was school.
Yeah.
Just
Just
push.
trying to push it. How has been life like since like finishing school? I know for some people they just
I'm actually now more knowledgeable, like with this whole setup of things.
uh,
I can set up my own shit. I should probably start my own podcast. By the way.
simple events. Anyone can
Simple.
join this. You just need 3 cameras or one maybe. Umenzo aqala ngeyodwa ke meant
Yeah.
manje
You can even start with iPhone. People shoot on
iPhone.
phones.
Yeah,
They
boy.
people start shooting with phones. But yeah, it has boosted my knowledge when it comes to not just the entertainment industry, but also understanding what happens behind the camera of whatever happens in the entertainment industry.
Seventing abantu aba-right abahle njengoba join i-podcast events. Seventing like ufuna ukwazi but like there's something that has been trending like recently but like Nandi Madita like praising him and like that.
Yes.
Yabona nje mfethu, and I felt like yabo
And then people
the hater. The hater, like what do you think about that? Like
yeah, people have different perspectives and then opinion abantu.
Hey.
Okay, it'll be different if when what you think as modestly is about what she said. But don't be biased.
Yeah, okay. Like for what she said, depends with it, depends. Like I felt like she was coming from a genuine place. Yabo nangendlela nje mfethu yabo. She was so like
Passionate about it,
passionate
yeah.
about it. So you can see it because yabo this person she grew up in a family where like I mean I always judge it on terms of like the family where she comes from and when I hear it's okay she was raised by a father like that like
so important.
and I congratulated her parents with like they did a great job with her because man like most women like I think there's this side of hate towards men.
What's funny?
Feminist.
What's funny? You can't hate men and have a son. You hate your son. And imagine if when you hate men and then you are raising a son, how is your relationship gonna be in the future?
And
black that's the same man.
Yeah, and like there's something that's like people don't talk about a lot. Like black women are the only like species in the world where you will find like blaming the opposite gender.
No, I'd respond to that. I think you know what's the issue. It goes back to Nkolisa yakhe bring up. So as a woman, what I see at home, that's an image I will always have. So if my dad is this type of man, that's an image I will have, and that's what I'll expect from Muntwam, my husband, my future husband. So now I'm missing Keta. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it goes down to Ilaini Joguti, you bring up Yoni Binjan. So it bring up your Nandi. It speaks volumes based on what she's saying now. You get what I'm saying? So, and it bring up for those women who be like, hey, man, manje.
Yo, for example.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We do see that every day was happening.
Yeah.
But it's not all. And more even the attitude. I once saw a video that I think I Kuruma has no money or one of her baby daddies. And in the Kuruma restaurant. The guy you could see with the guy man is just focusing on his drink.
Saiful that is why.
Metis is too.
Yeah, boy.
Gone.
Like
so man, how are you gonna be a man in that situation?
Yeah,
Run away.
that type of conversation is very deep. But what Unandi said, I believe, ngiyavumelana naye kahle kahle.
Mm.
And what she said, yeah, yes, we do need to sort of, be lenient
Yeah.
for this. Because at the end of the day, we all human, we all trying, but it's always a case with umuntu wesilisa has to be at a certain level compared to umuntu wesifazane.
Why
You
we
get what I'm
have
saying?
to make it about levels now? Because
No, I mean in the
Eh.
sense of you have to, it's hard for you to find umuntu wesifazane nowadays.
Mm.
If ungekho level eyodwa na, if you're not fully successful,
Yeah.
right? It's hard for you to be with umuntu wesifazane who's in lineage now, because
Mm.
you guys feel very
When it comes to
yes. If you find umuntu wesifazane who's making money,
that.
I'll make an example. If Jay-Z met Beyonce now, and Jay-Z was Jay-Z back then, it wasn't gonna work.
Yeah.
It wasn't gonna work.
Mm.
You get what I'm saying? So to be honest, Mina, I think maybe my comments here, but I feel like men do not know how to love umuntu wesifazane who doesn't need them.
That is the point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but nabasemaningi amadoda angayihloniphi manje abanye they stay. That's
Hey, man.
abayi-respect.
Eh.
Mina what ask someone mina ukuthi wena what you do rather have ukuthi asithi mhlawumbe right now there's someone okutshelayo ukuthi yazi ukuthi angikuthandi wena but uzokwazi ukuthi kube nawe base kube khona othi no uyakuthanda, which one will you choose? But most yamajidi azochoose lo omtshelayo ukuthi angikuthandi with the hope ukuthi yazi ukuthi mhlawumbe engaspenda more uzoshintsha. Then uma engashintshi,
But that's the image that society has created. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So now a Shella according to
to your standard.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Shella according to your standard now. And now it don't go for umuntu wesifazane who's not working. She doesn't know what's happening.
Yeah.
And when I tell you you've worked so hard as umuntu wesilisa to get to where you at this point, so that uthole umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi umshade umlobo, create a family with them.
Yeah.
So I'm talking umuntu then a few years down the line you complain.
Yeah,
Say
complain.
now when's loot?
But a man can complain about a woman. Let's say she's been with me from since then.
Umuntu wakhe naye.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's
Noma
different.
umuntu engihlangane naye nje senginazo izinto bese ngihlangana naye bese
Yeah, but then you get some people, I won't say men, I'll say some people. Yeah, because it happens with women as well. Some people, Guti, Gizo Kwaka now, like we build together. You were nothing, literally nothing. Mina, I was kind of something because I was staying with my family. My father was taking care of me. You took me out of home.
Yeah.
You took me out of my comfortability. Ekaya, ngahlala nawe, everything was bad for you, but because ngumuntu wakho we stayed together and we built out sibe nemali kube mnandi bese ubona usuyabona manje usubona Sign Bush usunemali wena yokushaya ama private jets bese uyabona Sign Bush ubone ukuthi hayibo ngeke
Sign Bush bebahle kanje
and in life Sign Bush, I'm not going to just say Sign Bush, like she's a pretty girl, but she has built impilo yakhe to be expensive. Yeah, but impilo yakhe is a certain standard. You cannot just date to Sign Bush mali.
And I will never
You get what I'm saying?
And make
because she has put that out to go to me now. I can do this for myself.
Yeah.
So you can't just come into my life and think you what? I must do it for you. You know what I'm saying? You need to be able to do the same things that I've been doing for myself. So now I can imagine me and Wam that the silver mask no put now years back. Manje usunemali ukuthi ushama private jet ushaya uvela ubone ukuthi mina akusekho ke mina shothi wesakhe standard wena usuke standard sakho so Sign Bush, then you do what? You get what I'm saying?
I wish like our culture as black people, like we had a structure as Muslim people. I don't want to compare, but like there's a structure where like, okay, you are taught in ama morals as umuntu. But okay, this is how you're supposed to treat your other half. This is how kahle you're supposed to take care of your family. This is how you're supposed to be a man. This is how you're supposed to be a woman. Because when we end up like as black people nowadays, we end up like comparing the standards,
Yeah.
the unrealistic things ever.
Yeah.
Yabo, nowadays.
Hey, you
Yabo.
you must never believe what you see online, guys.
Yabo.
People no longer go for genuine people.
Yabo.
But that's why I want to win a case.
Yeah.
They just go for, okay, what can this person do for me? Then touch a long one, so there's a do. My say, there's a pin, we have to see, man. The social media is there.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
We were
Crazy.
just seeing our march on a vacation.
Yabo.
And then you get people that are single.
Couldn't be taking nala.
Kashuba. Shubeni.
Couldn't be taking nala.
Yeah.
Ngakwazi connect noma. Couldn't be taking that. Yes. Now, boss. So, do you think selling Gucci should be?
Selling Gucci should be legalized. No. Why not? Because what about the girls that are hustling? Like when they hustle safe? And then if you see my dad, that's his choice. No, it shouldn't be.
It is his choice, though. It is his choice.
Yeah.
No, I don't agree with that.
Okay, so that's the question.
Yeah, that's the question actually.
It is
Do you
your
think?
dad's choice. If your dad, choice Kettle Talanje.
No, the question says, do you think like selling Gucci is
Should be legalized.
It should be legalized
Damn.
actually.
It's already been done behind doors.
It's in the bar. It's in the bar.
Huh? Oh yeah,
Yeah. She
that's
said-
true.
Eh?
Yeah, but I said like if that's gonna be legalized, then shooting drugs might as well be legalized. And it's an easy-
Yeah, let me play devil's advocate. Let's say you're putting food on the table. Khona amavidiyo nje ngawabona omunye ethi sengakho umuzi nemoto, my family is happy and yabo.
Yeah.
So like if it
And
can
it's
do that for
already
you,
been done, really.
yabo.
People do it. Even people on social media.
Something else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something else.
I feel like it will cause a lot of.
Yeah. You're right.
Unnecessary.
Black market, just like
Yeah.
Black market.
Black, yabo na ke,
Yeah,
yabo.
but not black is black.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying, black market.
Eh,
Yeah, man. I don't know about that one.
Eh.
Selling Gucci. People already be doing it. Like,
yeah, they're taking care of their family.
and I feel like, imagine if it's legalized, don't you think the money of it will start dropping? Because then niggas will have every option. You know what I'm saying? Like, my nigga, my option. Yaba maj, yaba puka, labanya, but 10K if you legalize it.
Yeah, khona uzokufikela nje ethi 200.
Yeah.
Yabo. Etsuka kude 200 nomba.
Hey, yeah, about that.
Yeah, it's a tricky
So
situation.
what's the future for when where do you see yourself? Like, let's say maybe 1, 2, 3. Because you have a
As a mentor of a young sharp, it's
for
present.
Yeah.
interacting with people, the energy.
Mhm.
Because I'm sure it's the same energy that you give.
Yeah.
Mm.
Where I see myself years from now, guys, I've been saying this. I always say to my mom, I see myself on radio.
Mm.
I always see myself, guys, come on, guys, holla at me, East Coast Radio, holla at me. Like, I already have the qualifications.
Yeah.
And guys,
How?
come on now. But
But
yeah, I do see myself on radio. If not, I do see myself on your screens, behind cameras. Presenting.
We had a podcast with who's Nene.
Yes. I saw.
Yeah, and
Dreamer.
she spoke about that because
Yeah.
I asked her, what does she want to do? And she said the Gagas is not anything.
No,
Not
not the
anything.
dreamer.
Oh, not the dreamer.
Not the dream. She's.
No, album 2K.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
On Saturday.
Yes.
Yeah.
But say I was not Saturday, namanya slot, just push.
But another thing, Mina, I've noticed is with me, we all used to say this in class also, Isngis. There's a lot of English. And then with the Kakasi, if you notice, they dominate a lot with Zulu.
Zulu.
And there's more of like a mixture.
Mm.
You get what I'm saying? So that's why I'm like, even East Coast Radio, I'm down.
Never again.
Anything, but yeah, that's where I do see myself. But for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just keep pushing my content,
Yeah.
doing them interviews, you know.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna open a podcast now.
That's dope. We need more people in this space. That's what
My
we're
mom
trying to
said
say.
thank you.
Yeah.
Especially
Yeah.
Yeah.
pushing the culture, boy. It's the culture.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Another
I
show.
think
Poo. Now for my friends.
Ah,
Shout.
poo, 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 poo.
Announcement. We had it live on Simi and
Yes.
Kevin. Lady Mo.
Podcast. Yes,
Yeah.
Lady Mo. I wonder what I'm gonna call it. God, now we need to think about a name.
Yeah. And if like more of a funny name, but then like not a funny name, but then
No, I think whether you have to come up with
Yeah.
more conversations when I get
Yeah.
you-
Hey, but I'm
you
not.
like it
I don't want to end up having Reason pop up in my podcast now.
it's really.
Yay! Yay!
I have a similar situation. My friend, so there's a guy that's a recently, I'm sending it's my screenshots. There's a guy which we interviewed
Mhm.
last year,
Yeah,
January.
I think I-
Yeah, but Andy the Slim Feds. What's the camera? Me on the left. Andy Levets, like my nigga, bro. I wanted to enter it shows ukuthi umuntu kanjani. Like I truly believed in you and your
What's the
movement.
tea?
Nah, manje. Yabo, Andile, like we had an interview last year, yabo.
Mhm.
So, yabo, and then interview, yabo, ngangamtshela isiphuma. Yabo, ngamtshela
Okay.
the day isiphumile ukuthi okay, bethi siphumile interview yabo,
Mhm.
because yabo nathi ezinye izinto sasingakayihleli kahle yabo.
Yeah.
Ngamtshela okay. Wasesho ukuthi awufethu ubungasho ngani ethi ubungasho ngani bethu ukuthi siyaphuma. Ngithi mfethu ngasho kanjani ukuthi siyaphuma into bethu, because phela le nto le ngathi neyami kahle kahle, it's not
Mhm.
yours.
Mhm.
Ukuthi ngikhipha nini wena
Mhm.
ngeke uze udictate lokho.
Yeah.
Yabo sketchane ngalokho yabo.
Mhm.
Hayi hamba isikhathi engayipromote video.
Okay.
Lapho une-following ngithi hayi okay mfethu it's fine ngizoyiphushela mina ividiyo.
Mhm.
Yabo ngikhohle iyona futhi it was the last episode of Friends Like Us yabo. Sithi fast forward ngihlangane naye nje mfethu ey'nsukwini la ngibuya khona la. Yabo sikhulume kahle. I thought he was cool. I even bought a t-shirt from him mfethu yabo. Yabo. Angithenge isithombe. Yabo recently mfethu 2 days ago uyangitext mfethu uyasho mfethu uthi why you didn't like nah mfethu. Lo jita le. Athi ngiyifunde lento le mfethu. Yazi yangicasula ngempela lento
You
le.
never asked you why I never promoted Skipper.
No.
podcast.
I-podcast. Like engibuza ukuthi why ngipost i-podcast manje without his consent. Akashongo ukuthi
Last day.
last year wayethi futhi asiyidropha kwes.
Mhm.
Yabo singasayi
Yeah.
lo. Yabo seyangitshela ukuthi mfethu like sure
Bye,
bafo.
Bellingham.
Look at that shit. Awufundi lapho mfethu. Lapho nje ekuqaleni.
Show buff. I keep seeing myself in your episodes. Kantas Kolomanga?
Eh.
I am formally notifying you that you do not have my consent to publish or distribute any content featuring my image, voice, or likeness.
Yeah, ngingasafuni ukuthi mina ngitheni mfethu.
Uh,
Doesn't matter. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi the ownership of the content is now Popile mfethu. So whatever you're trying to do mfethu, you do not have access to it wena mfethu. Yabo ithina abantu esaziyo mfethu ukuthi wena wafika kwishow it doesn't mean ukuthi yabo mhlampe ke manje ke.
Plus ayikho lento futhi released mhlawumbe sothi mhlawumbe degrade image.
Yabo.
Yeah.
No.
It just has him. So yeah, he just doesn't want it to have him. Kahle kahle.
Yeah,
Which we don't get because why did it come to a podcast?
in the first place.
Bellingham, keep paying.
Si
No, asombuka nje.
asimyeke mfethu. Kinga mfethu.
Zonsuwa.
No, but
Keep it.
Ngeke.
automatically you come to
Eh.
you are concerning. About the
Yeah.
50 years, that's a concern. Okay.
Yeah, he did. Shame.
Because when I call and I'm going to say a bash, I put it in we don't like supervise like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we want to build a good.
But he's a fucked up nigga though. Yangicasula mfethu yazi. Like mfethu how can you come to me like that? Like
Shame.
out of all people.
Oh, he could
mfethu.
have at least said, okay, can you guys tweak certain places
Yeah, bo.
or hlapen edit it or cut out certain things maybe that he felt Uguti does not resonate with him.
Yeah,
could have
sengicabanga
done
futhi
that.
yazi into engicabangile. Mhlawumbe uyabona ukuthi like the page is doing well and us like
Oh, maybe he didn't
bo.
think it was
Yeah,
gonna
bo,
reach
he-
like isikhona
yabo
manje.
manje yabo and I don't know but it's the hate's real in this industry.
What? How? So, industry, it's the same with industry, bro.
Eh.
So shame. The hate is real.
Don't get it though, but
It's not, oh man, you know my comment. So the comment every time you release
yeah,
an
I
episode,
understand when this come from
the more it comes,
Yeah.
you gonna, and that's the thing. I'm still trying to get myself used to, build myself with not really taking a comment about too serious. People can be harsh online. People can be very harsh. So nje mele uyifunde uyiziphi. Actually, maybe when I get to a point now, I'm going to say, I ain't gonna my comment.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, at least read the first 10.
I know. No, I'll probably have my brothers or my mom be like, hey, just read what they say.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the first 10 is so when comment section, I feel like it gets worse as banda. When I comment, I feel like 100. People, they feel like, which I mean, you're spending very can say whatever they like.
Yeah.
But no matter about 2 3, never one the first person you comment it every time.
Yeah. Konozo comment betayo bese nami ngiyalona.
Fucked up. Like, I want to know from you if it's so Glenda, but it doesn't matter, but it's a fucked up Nick. like, do you see the reason to like put your relationship out there with your I want to know because angaze ngibone
No,
posted
kodwa
ngendlela namanje kusawuyena noma like
no hey yabona
kwenzakalani
mina do my best with being private on the social media side. Futhi namanga because you'd probably see it on WhatsApp. Yabona uyabona WhatsApp ngiyabheda. Jalo Rafi given, but no, yeah, I don't post. I think the only time you'll see me post on Instagram is when there's something on my finger. That's the only time I'd go ahead and post one thing. But no.
Yeah, you like to keep things private.
Yeah. So the best is, if it's private, keep it that way. I'm gonna post my man because he says I'm the only one. Hey. So I'm gonna comment to our small world.
Well, fuck it's top, but
to a small world. I don't have time for that pressure, yo. No.
It's too much pressure.
It's too much.
Yeah, because got the pillar too much likes and
yeah, I should nami ngizokwenza njengabanye post isandla post ingalo manje South Africa ba investigate okugcina ma FBI try no let's to say
let's
ulo sibani lo even when you're doing even vacationing, like vacation mhlawumbe shy thothi ungishutha ngifake ibuku njengamanje I posted on my Instagram story. I posted the picture I took this morning and bengishutha ubhuti wami can see ukuthi ngisekhaya ngishutha ubhuti wami manje uyavela ewindini and he's not wearing a top. So uyavela hayibo lo lapho I'm like oh my god imagine ngoba ubhuti wami
esamchaze lokho manje ngene mu live ngeke futhi yoticasula abantu
imagine even my baby brother knows that I'm posting ithombe naye. There's a girl that commented on Instagram, what's his small world? What does she mean small world? Kanti iy'ntombi zakhe lo angazi mina ukuthi sekomdala uyitshala mhlawumbe ngiyipostele indoda yami because nami I never say ukuthi my brother ngivele ngafaka i-hat and ngapost but he's so tall and he looks like umuntu wami esihamba ndawonye and then she was like oh wow small world so make him put out to Balo he's like
of course again.
I'm better small world.
Small world, exactly. You have to expect. So small world.
Commenting a second, so I think she deleted the comments after it told that's my sister.
A comment can turn into a headline in 2 minutes.
I'm telling you.
Bro.
So I know, man. I don't see there's anything wrong. If you don't have an issue that I'm not posting you on Instagram now, it's fine.
It is a crazy thing that is trending here right now. The Tulima Lamoga thing and Leon Kumet. Did you see that?
Tuli.
Thuli.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Hey guys, South Eye and GBV. But I feel
It's
like
GPV.
that's what they
Oh.
say. That's what she posted, pictures with scars and stuff.
I mean, I know a lady. Oh, hey, the Maza, hey, see, like I don't want to protect Leon Gumete, but then I'm just saying, because like some women can go to that
To that
extent.
extent, I don't think so.
Do you think he?
I don't think she'd do that. No.
Because kodwa naye ngoba ngathi le relationship yekhreja ngathi nayo appreciate her kakhulu. I feel like
Who?
nakho lokho kuyacontribute.
Uba Leon?
Ngani manje she has this lady uba usitha.
Yes.
Hey, the one
Bengifunela-
She's so pretty.
Yeah, kakhulu.
bashaya kwezinto abanesebejwayele ukushaya i-content nje.
Mhm.
Kade
Allegedly, allegedly,
But-
ngingasho ukuthi umshayi.
because mina I heard the voice
Yeah.
ethi kuthuli yazi ukuthi akekho umuntu okumnandi ethandana naye.
Njengawe.
Kahle isho ukuthini?
Oh, he could be manipulated.
Hmm?
He could be manipulated,
Mm.
though, yeah. But hey, I don't know. With that, you see, maybe his content with this girl now
Yeah.
is very genuine compared to we were just speaking
To-
about people being
yeah.
together to make money together, and they stay together because they know that they're making more money together.
Mm.
So, hey, if a person is in your life, maybe they're there for a season. Some
Yeah.
people come in your life for a season, some then they have to leave, unfortunately. So maybe with Utul it was a season, and maybe his actual person is Ilo.
And ke mase kuvele
No,
kwangena.
but don't imagine when if you have to hear your
That my boyfriend was
Mm.
abusive, yeah. Oh,
Oh,
saying ukuthi you are the-
Yabo.
And Pella, maybe yes, that was true before he met Style. Say, yeah, maybe that was true. Maybe Akeko Vele
Yeah.
until he met Usta. Now, Pella, maybe magic things are different because he's with
Yeah.
Usta. So
And
I think
uthando
people,
lisalo,
I think
Shafut.
people never look at it ngale ondlela. People are just being like, when did he make Leo voice notes?
The day before yesterday.
Yeah.
They were on a call, or was it an old call she
I think
recorded?
it was a call.
And then why record?
It was a new call. It wasn't an old call.
It was a new call.
Awuzwanga le call le?
Yeah.
Release the pictures.
What y'all think about the pictures?
About the pictures.
Kodwa mina kuphela nami ngeke ngize ngithi, but I wouldn't say mhlambe nawo
I don't think. No, I
think there's
definitely
more to
don't
it.
think she's lying.
But
I don't think.
I don't
but
want
when
to
it comes
judge.
to abuse, guys, I always look at it in a point of if it was my sister.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But these days it's hard to believe things like that because Yabo.
uye wasebenza noMampinga futhi. Mampinga had a big fight with Uthuli. I think like 2 months was it?
2 months ago.
Bebangendaba kaXolekazi.
Mm.
Then now Leon.
I think Thuli can be manipulative like that. I mean, from my point of
About
view.
Leon.
Like Thuli. She can go to the extent of it's like nami ngiyacabanga indaba yamampinga mfethu yabo emjaji ethi yabo he took her style, she took her style.
Hey, let's talk to style. Get very style way to see collection. Come on.
Yabo.
Like, let's talk with hey, you touchy style and some so when will you be the only one to like you want to be the only one making money in the world? Come on now.
So I think she's been chasing that. Maybe something the viewership is not like aligning anymore, and she's trying to like get that attention again. Yabo.
But that's what we think.
Or maybe not.
That's what I think because
I don't
people
know.
like to reach.
Hey, I'm a girl's
like to
girl.
reach.
I believe everything.
You
I'm a
believe?
girl's girl. For me, it's like at this day and age, why would you go on social media and lie about it?
You can.
Because you're messing up someone's career, bruh.
That's the best.
Yeah.
Shukuthi indlela ongenza ngayo
Why do
letho.
you was giving Tabo best?
Hey, it's giving to best.
Even nje ayikho ngisho yodwa ividiyo engizwile bekhuluma where uLeon emnika ithuba uThuli to speak.
Yeah, he speaks above her.
One way. Nto leyo amanye ama-cracks lawo that you.
Yeah, he seems like a person with an anger issue.
Yeah.
That's how he seems. Glama call. But ingakho kuthiwa about two. Ningaboyingena.
Futhi yeah.
Ibona phela.
Sifuna mfethu Leon mfethu ufike mfethu Thuli mfethu.
Beyikhulumele.
Yabo. Sizothi bathini because
It's always best to hear from the horse's mouth.
yeah, from the horse's mouth. But then bafethu asithali le nto ama-relationship kancane kuyahlukana manje. Yeah.
Maybe it was never genuine,
It's,
pen.
yeah,
Some
from the start.
relationships are never genuine from the
Yeah.
starts.
Mm.
Mhlawumbe bawumnandi kuqaleni and then
It's ended up yabo. Do you think Women for Change is funding these kind of like things? Yes, Women for Change. Do you think it's funding these things?
maybe.
It can.
Yeah. They could be.
Yeah, because they can go that far, Bella. But yabo, giving allocation to other people, yabo.
Hey, but angazi. That's why I'm saying Guti mina. It's not very easy for Umutu to just lie
So
about about
eh.
about like Umuntu or would go and lie about HPV and stuff, you know, online. That you're messing up a career yomuntu, and that's the sad part about it. You know? So that's why I'm saying I don't see Uguti she's lying, and you see all these women that come out about things. Maybe yes, kona manga guana, not Utuli. I'm just saying like in general,
in general.
just generalizing. Some women yes, hlape kona manga hlape se kona look at the way bites. They would never just lie. I would never just lie and say, hey, you're giving or forced me, you want rape or whatever, you know? Because this day and age, things are so bad, making money. So if I mess up your career, that's not fair.
That's not fair.
Ubuntu lapho.
Abuko.
So yeah.
It's like
I don't think those women lied.
so
There are
men
sort of
lie,
truth to
women
it.
lie, but
Men lie, women lie.
But the world keeps spinning, dog. Like life goes on.
Yeah, life goes on. But shame, I do wish Uguti, whatever trauma she's got from that relationship, she recovers from it.
Yeah.
Because it's not nice getting trauma from a relationship. You get what I'm saying? Or a trauma from umuntu that you believed is supposed to protect you. Because Tina, we see you men as our protectors. You taking a position of my dad.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying? And the most hurtful part is a lot of women have, you know, daddy issues that people don't speak about. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Maybe my dad wasn't there. YP but wasn't there. He didn't care. So I tend to, when I'm in a relationship, I leech on to mentosless. You get what I'm saying? So if I'm in a relationship, in worry yoguti, you're gonna abandon me or you're gonna do what my father did. And then when it's over, that's trauma.
Yeah.
You know? It's trauma that actually, you know, taps into what happened to you, Saingan. Because that's what I always say, in Ghana, you need to be very gentle. Nengane and go to uyiphatha kanjani. Uyitshela nokuthini, yeah, and uyikhombisani. Yeah.
Especially if umuntu wesifazane. Like I don't think like women are doing a great job in terms of if you're a single parent and you're raising a woman, you have to like tell her like the most realistic things. If it's
okay, I get you. Don't lie to
them. You have to like be brutally honest. And if you are a father, but like this thing of running away, kitchens, messing up. Yabo together nje relationship sekunama trust issues. Angakenzi lutho. Enxa ukuthi nje wabona
babakhe wenza nje kumawakhe.
Yabo manje sekunaleyo nto leyo manje yabo.
Yeah, and it does contribute. It all boils down because I always believe, because I was brought up by my grandparents, you know. I always believe, those people were in love.
Yeah.
That was like a relationship. Sabawell.
It's Sabawell, yeah.
That's a relationship with Sabawell. At my age, I wish to, you know, find a person that I can have that sort of, because they had a friendship. So I wish to have Namumutero be my friend, but also be my partner at the same time. So in there, it contributes. And if you grew up in a home where parents, I'm not saying you do that, but you think it's okay.
And food as parents, like even though like don't make it ukuthi it's about a kid now yabo
Yeah.
seniyenza ngayo ingane
Ngaphambi
manje hayi
kwayo.
yabo ngisayinakekela ingane le ngenxa
Iyayibamba
yabo
yonke leyo
yabo
nto ingane.
uyayibamba leyo nto ingane yabo khulu cabanga kanti futhi a kid needs love as more than anything
Yeah.
sengaba yona neshaya ngenxa yokuthi iyahlupha but then
Abasashawa kodwa manje
Ushaye
sashawa thina.
thina
Ayibukeke.
hawe
Awungashawa man kuthiwa thina sashawa ngophini.
yabo
Mama beshawa ngani? Angazi beshawa ngani imvubu, beshawa ngeimvubu.
Angiyazi-ke imvubu
Uke washawa nje gibela.
mina
Uyasazi isithwebo.
mina ibhande umshanelo
Sizokubamba ususemnyama.
umshanelo ukhale ekhanda yonke into ekhona
Ukuthi gogo wami akekho but my mom would have said
Eh.
ukuthi yo gogo wami thina. I to do. I think that's why I'm disciplined now. I don't even go to people's houses, share my own life, unless it's like a must. I don't sleep over emzini yabantu because gogo wami engayidlali ba. Because ikhala umkhulu athi ayibayeke manje.
bayeke
Gogo
bayakhona
vele sicela uyoyikhelela lapha. Go get your 8. Go get your 18 dubzana. I take the most skinniest one. Swishaye.
yeah
Tusile.
ngisile thatha lezi
Yeah, and then
engekho
uvela wathi
buhlungu.
awuhambathisa la ampentshi. So aziduzo phela ngiyahlephu wema. Ngiyakubane manje obhuti bami thina we going. Buye ngo-10 ngithi hey.
anazilutho
Nibuya ngo-10 ngithi ayigogo usuwathamba.
ngo-6 induku sikulindile kuthiwa uphuma
Ngeke ngo-5.
ngo-5
Becoming softer now.
Yes, I think with age.
yeah
With age, because my granny's soft. My brother's got it easy.
Mm.
And they're like, I'm a 2K, but then now baphendula it's hey boy, Tina. Hey Shola.
yeah she do
Hey Shofana.
yeah but like we're about to wrap it up right now yabo and like I want to like know but about since you are event person there's something that's ngibonile yenzo different gogo like she's hosting a 24
hour, yeah.
like isn't it crazy
Sets. If I'm sure she can stay up that long. If she's a DJ,
24 hours
24-hour sets.
I'm not sure. Do you think she's gonna be alone?
No, she'll have people. They'll be
headliners.
vibing to keep her awake. But
Mm.
I don't think it's gonna be hard for her because if you count maybe in December time, Menama event, if she's doing events back to back, it's more or less the same thing. But the only difference is you're just in one place.
yeah
But that's fire though.
yeah
So you're gonna see now everybody's into it.
nah nje Black Coffee yenza 3 days and since that day akekho umuntu wayenza leyo nto le
Oh, Black Coffee did
He
it.
did it yeah
yeah.
but it's
That's one celebrity I wish to meet, bro.
yeah Rotman
Yeah.
but
Hey,
you have
but
to
people have
respect
a
that
lot to
guy.
say. Hey, you gotta be guys. We get that, but
Yeah.
I'm talking about his artistry as a person. He's good, but okay, whatever he does with his marriage, yeah.
Yeah,
my
that
business.
happens.
That's our business. Bamlalelo, mama, no arkela ngithi.
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
Yeah, but how we're going to close up this show, Marisha? But what you want to say to the people too? boy.
What I want to say. Don't listen to people bangaphandle. When I just keep pushing, keep doing you. Pray.
Nah, camera.
Oh yeah, this is my camera. Pray a lot. Don't listen to outsiders with their negativity. Keep good energy around you. My mom always tells me keep good energy around you. Make sure that you pray and love your family and love yourself first. Always put yourself first and keep pushing, guys. Uzofika la ufuna ukuya khona ekugcineni.
Uzofika la.
Kuthiwa iphupha lifa umnikazi wakhona esaphila.
Nje. Uzofika bethu uzofika la Simi and Kevin show.
Uzofika.
Uzogcina ufikile la Simi and Kevin show.
So yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to Mother the Cornell of it.
Like, mom.
Yeah, but yeah, shout out to
mom.
Shout out to mom, but shout out to all the moms out there for like yes, this thing, it's like brings like emotional side of me, because like mothers, they always root for us.
Yeah,
they always there. Number one supporters each and every day. Like I remember I'm telling my mom that I want to do podcast, and she was the first person that like gave me the money to come and Like
Go ahead and do it.
So it's really inspiring to like
See you,
what
Ma.
you want to say to your mother actually. We're in the live on camera.
G. We are about to call each other G.
G.
Mom, I really much appreciate you, and I'm thankful for everything. I am who I am today because of my mom. I'm as pretty as I am. Face card never declines because of my mom. But Mom, I appreciate you and love you always, and I'm forever your princess.
Shout out.
Yes.
Shout out. Tion Dead.
Clock it.
It's a Tion Dead.
What's a T on that? It's clock it.
It's clock it, Buffett. So don't forget, Buffett, to like, subscribe, do and everything, Buffett. To follow us on socials, Buffett. So what's all your socials?
It is I am Lady Mo _SA.
On all of them.
Yes.
TikTok.
Always imitated but never duplicated, honey.
Nje. That's
So
it.
all platforms, yes. I am Lady Mo _SA.
Yeah, Buffett. Siyabonga kakhulu, Buffett, who watched the show until the end. Buffett.
Thank you.
This is the dopest show. This is the dopest thing that you ever find on YouTube.
Best
Actually,
podcast, yes.
In
Make sure to
KZN.
subscribe. Make sure to click on that subscribe button. Make sure to like. Make sure to do the things that need to be done so that you always see us on your phone, on your screen, on any platform you have. Thank you.
That is how we close it, my first.
Thank you.
Thank you.